through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want.
Hey dears, what's up? I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, BALOSHI Tech. Before watching this video, I'd like to request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest videos.
Today we are here with another new video, how to hack a SubWay servers. Very easy it is, okay? So as you watch that short clip, it's similarly like the same. You will hack in the game, and where you will get lots of coins, keys, boards, skins of characters, and you will max your each and everything in the game. So very easy it is. Okay, for that, for hacking SubWay server, you have to follow my steps. You have to open your Chrome browser. Okay, now tap over here, A1 mode APK downloader. Okay, dear, fine. A1 mode APK downloader, fine. Now click on OK. Okay, now scroll down. This website you see over here, okay? Click on this website. Find yours, click on it. Okay, as it is opened, now search in the same website. Here in search bar, SubWay servers. Okay, this fine. Now click OK. Okay, now it is open. Here it is. The game is available over here. Now click on SubWay servers. Okay, download it. Wait for 7 seconds. Okay, dears. Okay, here it is. Okay, now it is total 164 MB, so download it. After downloading, install it from your mobile phone file manager. That's all.